This time is the rainy season. The haor is supposed to have full water. The Travelife team set off to see a water murmuring. This time is the rainy season but has no rain. There is no air in the leaves of the tree. There are no clouds to cover the sun. Travelife team has started from Kishoreganj to Nikli haor. Nikli is an upazila of Kishoreganj and haor is a wetland of Bangladesh. Even a few years ago, there was no road here. When the haor floated in the tidal water, this area also submerged in the water. If a little wind blew, the haor water would rise. Now, haor is in development. Haor water has moved far away from here. Travelife's eyes are in search of water, and just a few seconds. Yes, this picture is of Nikli haor. There is water in the haor. However, there is no surge of water. From where the dam started, the area thundered like the sea in the rainy season. The dam overflows and sprinkles water. The tongue of water comes out like fire. But now, gentle water is still around the haor. There is also water on the bottom of the dam. There is no water craving, no murmuring. Is it the fault of climate change? Who will stop this climate change? What is the responsibility of world leaders? Where is the time for the people of haor to think? Due to climate change, it is not raining in the rainy season, not cold fog in winter. There is nothing left to say normally. Now the seasons are getting very random. When the haor caught the eye of the tourist, then the tide of development started flowing in this land, and the speed of the water is low. Now, there is muddy water all over the haor. Only a few days left until the end of the monsoon. Then if the sky is upside down, the tide from the mountains, then the power of water may increase a little. Gentle waves can play in stagnant water like glass. If the wind blows in the field, it can also fight energy with water. Let's go around by boat. Destination Chathijar, an island-like village. The boat floated on the haor within the Travelife team. During the rainy season, it is difficult to know which river and which floodwater is in the haor. A little further along the road, a big cargo boat is floating in the Ghurautra river, and all the rest of the open water was crop field when haor was dry. Now the flood has come. Traveling across a piece of haor is now Chathijar. The boat is front of Koroj forest. The village has gained travel attraction fame in a very short time. On the one hand, the swamp forest of Ratargul in Sylhet is losing its appeal. On the other hand, this Koroj forest of Chathijar is being compared with the swamp forest. Haor means the forest of Hijol and Koroj. Koroj trees protect different villages of haor from the waves. But where is the wave now? Still water like glass all around, much like the story of the ancient mariner. There was also an albatross in the story. There is no hawk in the sky of Chathijar.